are going to love the 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, convertible soft top, steering wheel controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.